What trends are emerging from the 2026 layoff statistics and WARN Act notices? The latest data reveals surprising shifts in industries and workforce strategies that could reshape your career prospects. In 2026, the biggest layoff numbers landed in tech and manufacturing. These industries face automation and global competition pressures. Surprisingly, healthcare and education sectors buck the trend, showing stability or even growth. This means job security varies greatly depending on your field. If you work in tech, expect more volatility, but healthcare might offer safer opportunities. WARN Act notices rose by 15% in 2026, signaling employers are giving more advance notice about layoffs. This shift helps workers plan financially and seek new opportunities sooner. However, some companies still skirt the rules, causing sudden job losses. Overall, increased WARN compliance offers a small but important advantage for affected employees. Layoff statistics show a geographic divide in 2026. Urban tech hubs like San Francisco and Seattle experienced high job cuts due to industry slowdowns. Meanwhile, rural regions had fewer layoffs but also slower new hiring. This split suggests your location can strongly impact job stability and opportunities amid economic shifts. Interestingly, remote jobs saw fewer layoffs in 2026 compared to on-site roles. Companies increasingly favor hybrid work models, balancing flexibility with productivity. This trend could make remote work safer employment ground during economic uncertainty, giving workers more control over their careers. The 2026 Layoff and WARN Act trends reveal a changing workforce landscape. Knowing which industries and locations face risks can help you stay ahead. Remote work and early WARN notices offer some protection too. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had and stay informed about the evolving world of work.